To reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Toyota Tundra, you're going to turn the vehicle 2 times to go into accessory mode. Once you're in accessory mode, you're going to use the buttons on the steering wheel to navigate through the screen. You're going to arrow over until you get to the gear icon. Then you're going to arrow down until you get to vehicle settings, and then press the center button to go into vehicle settings. Then you're going to arrow down to maintenance reset, press the middle button. Then it'll ask if you want to reset the maintenance reminder. You're going to arrow up to yes, and press the middle button to select. And then your maintenance light has been reset.